Project Loan is a special project by the Google Alphabet division to solve problems accessing the World Wide Web in areas of natural disasters or in places where communication is impossible. Balloons operation by solar panels installed on them. AquaJet hydrodynamic roofs cleaning using the AquaJet device ensures quick and efficient removal of dirt, moss, and fungus from the surface of a tiled or slate roof. The device operates on supply of a rotating jet of water under high pressure up to 500 bar. Marine floating island. Such an idea can be implemented using an advanced design platform, little territory, and lack of land for. Its essence lies in the use of special floating platforms that can be applied for construction. These structures can be used both on land to extend the coastline and on water as the foundation for structures. Platforms serve as a floating canvas. Breathing underwater got simpler. A person can comfortably explore the bottom of any reservoir by a mask made on the principle of fish skills. Even deep water, a diver wearing such mask feels very comfortable since oxygen gets in straight from the water. The device runs on batteries, and the excess oxygen due to the operation of the microcompressor will be stored in special tanks. Seakeeper stabilizers are designed based on a gyroscope and are able to withstand pitching, suppressing it by 70 to 90% depending on the device model, and the vessel's displacement from 10 to 140 tons. The device is most effective at parking and at low speeds. In addition to civilian ships, Seakeeper is used on boats and light military vessels. It is controlled by a remote display and can be installed in the engine or tiller compartment of the vessel for cooling the mechanical part of the stabilizer.
Cora Air Taxi, the vehicle is a two-seat unit that runs on electrical energy to ensure vertical takeoff and landing. Cora will travel by air at speeds of up to 111 miles per hour at an altitude of 492 to 2,953 feet. In case of an emergency, the aircraft will be autopilot using 3 individual computers, one charge.
Urban Electric Robo-Mobile. This concept car functions as a public service vehicle and as a robot mobile. The car is characterized by a high level of comfort, ease of movement, safety, and unsurpassed efficiency. Biodegradable food packaging, a unique material for packaging goods based on milk. This package resistant to high temperatures and high humidity and also increased its strength. Seabin operates in automatic mode. It can move along the water surface and collect chemicals, waste, and oil into a special tank made of environmentally friendly material. Can be installed on motor ships and super yachts. It is equipped with a powerful pump and a pipeline located on the shore. Goodyear Oxygen. This is automobile tires that carry out the process of photosynthesis when moving. This device was presented at the Goodyear Geneva Motor Show wheels. This model has got a unique tire look with the moss on the sides while driving. This device will absorb roadside moisture and air which contain carbon dioxide, while vegetation will immediately convert incoming elements into pure oxygen. Thanks to this, you can improve the environmental situation just by driving along the streets. Guys, please mention in your comments what you like most about this release. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.